Today's class is skin grafting procedure. Factors for taking of a skin graft. 1. The recipient area must not be avascular. 2. There should not be any excess blood, serum or exudate to separate the graft from the recipient area. 3. The recipient area must be free from infection. 4. The part after skin grafting should be immobilized to prevent displacement. 5. The nutritional status of the individual should be satisfactory. In this picture, you can see hydrocolloid dressing which is used after skin grafting. This is the dressing of a donor site. Preparation of the recipient wound. The area is first washed with soap and water. A soft brush may be used to clean the dirt from the surrounding skin. Then, diluted cetavlone solution is used to clean the area with sponge holding forceps. Any slough in the wound should be removed with great care. Cetavlone is a cleaning agent. It's used to clean the wounds, especially after road traffic accidents. Diluted cetavlone is used to clean the recipient area in skin grafting. There should not be any hypergranulation tissue in the wound. If it is present, they should be scraped off to expose a flat, healthy granulation tissue as the bed for skin graft. If there is any bleeding, this should be tackled by pressure or hot saline pad. Methods of skin grafting. 1. Local adjustment, that is by flaps from the surrounding skin. 2. By free skin grafts taken from other parts of the body. 3. By pedicle graft, where the flap remains attached to the original site on one end and the other to the place to be grafted.
This is a picture showing free skin graft. A picture of pedicle skin graft.
Occasionally, an intermediate host may be used where the distance between the donor area and the recipient area are too long to be bridged. Example, from abdomen to face. First from abdomen it will be transferred to forearm. Then from forearm to face. Procedure of skin grafting. 1. A skin graft is a surgical procedure in which a piece of skin from one area of the patient's body is transplanted to another area of the body. 2. Skin from another person or animal may be used as temporary cover for large burn areas to decrease the fluid loss. 3. The skin is taken from a donor site which has healthy skin and implanted at the damaged recipient site.
This is a picture showing free skin graft in third-degree burns. Autograft help to heal the unhealed wound.
4. They are performed usually in hospitals under general anesthesia. 5. The treated area, depending upon the size of the area and severity of the injury, will determine the amount of time needed for healing. This time may be 6 weeks or a few months. 6. Within 36 hours of surgery, new blood vessels begin to grow from the recipient area into the transplanted skin. 7. Most grafts are successful, but some may require additional surgery if they do not heal properly. Complications of skin graft. It include infection, graft rejection, and hematoma formation.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.